Onye Igbo Robi Alan. Igbo Robi Ebene Oila Onye Oshibene Biawa. Yabi. Anyone any shaman and in there a last 11 in the town white. It was a billy and he did answer.
That we make any mono before Ginny Ruben, Oga Wadi boy who can naba. Okay, you and a kaka naba. Who we show cool, no, I have we share car is share cable audio. Nessun or Jesse. There's a cane. Oh, yeah,
Osno kwa kwa tu na ba ekpera yin. Akiri ba be bo bita. Sin kwa ka ke dongo. Na le ya ke no mejo. Owo egbuja le ni na ho egbuja. O gba dodo. Ndini bia na ro we ma. Ba be ku no wo le joku ro. No le joku. Ku ko da ba na erere. O gba dodo mo ra le dodo. E na ka wa pa do gna re ma. E ka je na yin to mi a je na yin.
No je no ro mo.
E ka no je no ba yin.
E we kwa mi me.
Wadi no apa
na
jiwagwa
ndo kwa na ku no nyo ka afọ aka
no we joku
Una American. The one do nwata na dia ji oji okoko ja agba wozo. O na nya azu na ka mana na onwe he kwa azu. Beni nre wo jari atom. Me oji me no jari atom na mana ndị nri ihe uwe. Na me ko nwene ihe ke me nwa abavo na onu kweri na ka lu me. Ya obi anwo na nwa. Ndị be na-etu n'elu agba ka ahụ nwata eze. Ne bekaru nwa oke ha ka okome dokpa ọnwa anyị na be no were mmanya jekwa. Ne ọnwa ka eji be na se ne ewo ibo ne. Ne ọnwa ka eji chenu no ọjọ. Ore darasa. Darasa.
Ori gano ero
alors mon ami bien que le monde l'œil d'or ta kumbo kai on le que non la kai na ba et quand ba agwa l'œil d'or bien parce que arena ni marana no ma rene data le marana na dia le ma ato wa wa elima parce que te wa bi da toto nko wan ska et que le monde awo la awo do ore ido bido
Allah yin
le ide me yin ma le yin me fo yin aso le fo yin la so ya ta mo e amonu e ko gbo le gote amonu e ko gbo lere imo obodo awo ya ta no la no le yin me bido ho e ya ga bo bido e yin bi abia na bi be no aye yin patapata lazi
ni si ya mama ale awo
Echo Base. Nice 16 clan.
Abavo kingdom. Idumugbo wo nyeche. Ela wili. Wezu idumugbo ile awile zu ogwa. Nwata ega idumugbo kwa no ha. Ya bi ogwa ya ma wo ogwe ile bi awile.
Aswapa di.
Okay. Aswapa. Awo onu nwe idumu Echo Base ku efa we bido nwe idumu gbo opara ina nwe so idumu gbo
idumugbo
ogbe idibo
ogbo holo Igbogili wele ekogbe to Isogban Adogun Oriokan Osi Ekoma Eyawa Azọwa Ekoma Oyoko Okpe Obiayima Ekweze.
Okay, yeah. Owu ye ntole ngora. Ogimi Igbo wo ogbu iwu isi. Ogbu Igbo wo esi Igbo. Idumo busy. Ebo eze ya.
That's centralized.
Yeah, we go to go central community.
Okay, that central.
Yeah, we
Where is first?
Obi.
Let me explain it. Central community. Consists of 3 quarters. Even the 3 quarters, the most senior with Mugbo, followed by Ogudibo, then Ogbamolo. Okay, then there are 3 quarters.
Then the Mugbo, where is it?
Mba, Ogudibo, when was it?
Ogudibo,
yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Then, like, Igbogli.
What is that?
Igbogli, 3 quarters again, yeah. It's also Adogun and Orioka. Yes.
Orioka home. Onwefa was that before I said about Orioka. But Orioka was that from no origin.
Yeah,
we ended. Like Orioka home. Asandone. Kefeka.
Oroka lodu. Yeah.
Orioka
Oroka. Yes.
Aliodu.
Yes.
Keep them kebia. Oroka aliodu.
Yes.
Aliodu.
Yes.
Ya odu omwane ahu.
Yes.
Aliodu. Odu as in ODU.
Yes. Go on.
Orioka aliodu. Okay. Let make
Then Azowa.
Yes.
Azowa is made up of Koma,
Oyoko.
Ukwe, and Ekweze.
Anobia man.
No.
Anobia.
Ekweze, no.
Ekweze, yeah. Ekweze.
Yeah.
Ekweze. No, only came out as that for Eze.
Yeah.
Akwezi.
Then Udomi. Ewa Imiele. Yes, Imiele. Ewa Alioha. Yes. Ewa Ekoma. Yeah. Then Ewa Idumobodo. Yes.
Okay.
Now the 4 clans Erima Udomi. Then after some time again, where you are not found this Obi Ayima from the time of Obi Ayima.
When on work community.
You are not be I found that place. Then then Obi Ayima or the 2 group a formona Ogbobi Lobudomi. We found that Obi Ayima. So reka alright.
Ogbe we ji Odogun mani Abavo ya.
Odogun.
As a leader.
Onwe no gba aza Odogun.
Mba.
Okay. This
can do about Obi Alemani. Only lo he ogoji wechi na Abavo beni.
Obi Alema.
Ayima. Okay. Man na ka ho Ayima.
Ago ji wechi.
Ayima ka Ayima ge ri ake wagi ejeje meme Obi Ayima.
Leo mama. During the task you don't have balcony. Obi Ayima like ndi we net I dey clear la so do. These 2 clans now Ogbonlo and Ogbudu. Yes, Ogbudu and Ogbudu. So they have to leave and go there and settle. Both parties come and Udomi. Come is from Udomi now. Ogbudomini. Our son, our children that are Ogbobi. Then when they got there, because Eze come up from Ogbobi. Obi Ayima, which means their children are there. Okay. You understand? That is it.
And to mention the land, that land belongs to Abavo. To mention anywhere that land, they are the kind of settlement. Abavo scattered type of settlement.
Okay.
Why?
To protect
the land. Yes. Yeah, again, find that place.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the money, our culture, ihe ndị na-ene nwe ka ọnwụ na-ede akwụkwọ
You can go to pilots, they will see it.
I think onwe
Oyakpeze couple with one of our late principal, Patrick Osahon, they so rest in peace. Because it's a historians. If not, I believe I have misplaced my own copy. I should have got you the copy right from the day one. The time he's late.
Okay.
You know, if you go to Oyakpeze can lick you up.
Okay, also the word AWO, Omini, Yawo, Onye Fando, Abavo, AWO.
That's the name of the founder.
The founder.
Yes.
AWO, Eleberabia.
Osi awo onye na ememe awo so elebe ọ ga-abịa
onye mama ale onye pụha lọpụasị mmewe onye nini ya wo efa awụ ata awụlori mmewe onye ya wo awụ na onye niri ata
onye ibụzọ bi ala iwe onye ibụzọ bi ebe na ile awụ onye osi ebe na-ebi ewa ya bi ebe enyi na-esiama enyi ndị alasịla ebe na ole nleta ngwa isu eji ebiri enyi na-eri aza awụ